Online budgeting apps are often more effective than budgeting with a pen and paper for several reasons, okay? First, they make tracking your spending easier. With apps, you can quickly enter expenses and income on your phone or computer. This way, you can see how much money you have left in real time. Second, many apps can automatically connect to your bank accounts, which means that they update your budget automatically. This saves you time and helps you avoid mistakes. Mistakes that can happen by doing wrong calculations by hand, basically. Third, online budgeting apps are often let me start over. Online budgeting apps offer tools and features like charts and graphs. These visuals can help you understand your spending habits better and make it easier to see where you want to cut back. Finally, some apps, they send reminders when bills or alerts are close to overspending in whatever category. So this is going to help you stay on track with your financial goals. So while budgeting with a paper and a pen, it works for some people, but online apps usually provide way more concise support. They can help you stay organized and make smarter decisions about your money. All right? Jesus is Lord. Ciao.